And after we have welcomed the Almighty in our thoughts, in our expression, and in our day, I now take the opportunity of extending a very warm welcome to all of you to this prestigious award ceremony, which celebrates excellence in education. So as we move on to the first set of awards, I would like to once again invite Dr. Shashi Tharoor, our chief guest, to kindly do the honor of presenting these awards. And we would also like to express our thanks to University First, which are the sponsors of this research which was done. The next award is for the Best Institute for Financial Management Studies in India. And it goes to Indian Institute of Finance. We have Chairman, Professor J.D. Agarwal. And as I know, Vice Chairman, Professor Saurabh Agarwal, if he is also here, would like to request him to kindly grace the dais. The next award is for the best placements amongst autonomous management institutes in North India. And this award goes to Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi. I think we have the representative and member media committee, Mr. Nishant Kumar, coming and receiving the award. IIT Delhi, no introduction of course required, is the best in research among all B schools. It boasts of being one of the best colleges in terms of return on investment. It is the center of excellence, and the professors of Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi, act as consultants in the government, as well as at several private companies on matters of strategic importance. The next award is for the best international school in South India, and it goes to Kodaikanal International School. Do we have someone from Kodaikanal International School here? Anyone from school? Okay, so I think we can present once someone joins us. Now, as the gentleman just now also said, that today's world actually requires a lot of thinking minds. And it is this thinking minds, thinking schools, which are going to be actually shaping up a thinking nation. Our next award, in fact, has been engaged in this, bringing about acting as a change agent, thinking minds, business leaders. This is for the Best Institute for Telecom Management in Western India. And this goes to MIT School of Telecom Management. We have the Project Director, MIT Group of Institutions, Pune, Dr. Milind Pandey here, receiving the award. Now, MIT School of Telecom Management, an AICTE approved management institution, was established in 2007. MITSOT has proven to their institute has been extending quality education. They have been building a premium quality manpower with techno-managerial skills, acting as business leaders and change managers in various fields. And now all over to you.
Firstly, I would like to say I'm here to accept this award on behalf of Dr. Milind Pandey. Unfortunately, because of medical reasons, he couldn't come. But I'm here to accept these awards for entire my college. And thanks for Brands Academy and Dr. Tharoor sir. We've been observing him in student parliament for recognizing our the efforts towards the telecom industry and the efforts what we put into the educating the people to move towards the telecom sector. We've been doing many research in that area. Thanks Brands Academy once again. Thanks a lot.